My name is Farrah Wells. I'm the Program Coordinator for the Center for Entrepreneurship and Community Development in the College of Business. Loyola offers community, inspiration, and energy for this. I think that's what fuels entrepreneurial spirit, and Loyola can absolutely offer that. We have students who run businesses, faculty who run businesses. We are a hub for entrepreneurship, and we are putting ourselves on the map as a campus who can provide that for the city.
My name is Robert LeBlanc. I am an alum of Loyola, class of 2000. I studied economics and finance here, and I am also the chair of the Board of Trustees. This is New Orleans Entrepreneur Week, which is a week that both celebrates and educates entrepreneurs, not just in New Orleans, but across the country. And I think it's particularly fitting that it's hosted here on Loyola's campus. I was a student here, so I'm a little biased, but to be an entrepreneur, to be successful, you have to have a tremendous belief in yourself and your ability to figure it out. The term is cura personalis, educating the whole self. And so I think Loyola does a tremendous job giving you the belief in yourself that you'll figure it out as an entrepreneur. I do think the combination of creativity, instruction, housed in this incredibly inspiring campus with so many brilliant creatives makes us a uniquely capable breeding ground for great entrepreneurs.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Preston. I'm a filmmaking major here at Loyola University New Orleans, and I'm a senior here. My experience here at NOEW has been great so far. It's been really fun just connecting with a bunch of other people, talking with other entrepreneurs, and just engaging with the overall community here in New Orleans.
Hi, I'm May Chapman. I am a junior here at Loyola University, and I'm studying criminology and law. I seen that this great event was definitely for me. I myself am an entrepreneur. I am the film casting director for May Chapman Casting. As business owners, we need to know what is there for us as far as any resources, as far as networking, and the knowledge that we need to be successful. It's nothing like having your own. So a lot of times we work for others, and it's time for now that we work for ourselves.
Hey, I'm Sam McCabe. I'm the director for the Center for Entrepreneurship and Community Development and an alum from the class of 2014. It's so fun to see this campus buzz this way. It just gives us this opportunity to showcase what New Orleans is about, what Louisiana is about, what the Gulf South is about, and what Loyola is too.
Hi, I'm Amy Sintz. I am with Langlois and Fill the Needs here in New Orleans, Louisiana. Loyola is on the forefront of leading students into the next phase of their life. And we are embracing creativity and excitement and new ideas at this conference. And it seems a perfect fit for Loyola University as well as the city of New Orleans in general.
I think the entrepreneurial spirit is interwoven in New Orleans by default, and so anybody that we attract to Loyola's campus, regardless of whether they're locals or they're coming from out of town, I think that Loyola attracts those community members by default because of the beautiful character that we have in the city.
My name is Bobby Savoy. I am the Dean of the College of Business at Loyola University. Most entrepreneurs are just regular people who took a risk and went out and made it and just outworked everyone else. Being an entrepreneur is hard work, but if you're willing to put in the work, you'll achieve the success.
One thing that I always tell those that are interested in doing their own thing is that first you must look inside and ask yourself, is this what I want to do? And if it is, believe that you're going to do it. And the last but not least, provide action. Know that you can go forward without any naysayers and make this thing happen. You do not have to go by and think, I cannot do this. We can do all things.